This is DONGPO pork, a 1,000-year-old dish from China's Song Dynasty, filled with a poet's life wisdom. Hi everyone, I'm Hao He, the restorer of ancient Chinese cuisine. Today, we'll recreate this classic in the authentic Song style. If you love ancient Chinese food and history, subscribe and ring the bell. Never miss our dynasty food restoration. This dish's story starts with Su Shi, the Shakespeare of ancient China, a great poet of the Song Dynasty. When he was exiled to Huangzhou, he found local pork was cheap but poorly cooked. So he wrote Ode to Pork, a cooking poem to teach people the secret. For authentic Song-style DONGPO pork, the key is the meat. 2 pounds of 3-layer pork belly. Thin skin, even fat and lean. This is the only cut for tender, non-greasy meat. No other pork can replace it. This is the Song people's strict choice for this dish. First, soak the pork belly in cold water for 30 minutes. This draws out blood foam. No fishy taste at all. Song cooks valued the original flavor, no extra spices for deodorizing. Pat the pork dry with a cotton cloth. Make sure the skin is completely dry to lock in the flavor during braising. Cut the pork into 2-inch square cubes. Don't cut them too small, or it will fall apart while simmering. The Song people thought a neat shape is a respect for food. Tie each cube with cotton string and across. This keeps the shape and lets the sauce seep into every inch of the meat. Every detail matters for Song cuisine. Line the clay pot with 5 ginger slices and 3 scallion sections. This prevents sticking and adds a mild fresh flavor, no more spices. Place the pork skin side down. This is the key to tender, gelatinous skin, the most prized part of the dish. The biggest secret: 1 cup of Chinese rice wine, Huangju instead of water. No water at all. Add 3 ts broc sugar for sweetness, 2 ts light soy sauce for color. No heavy oil, no spicy, just the elegant taste of Song literati. Cover the pot, simmer on low heat for 3 hours. Su Shi said, cook it slow with little liquid. This is the core of the recipe. The Song people had no pressure cookers, only patience. Look at this bright amber color. The meat is wrapped in the sauce. This is the authentic Song-style DONGPO pork, just like what Su Shi made 1,000 years ago. It's so tender that a chopstick can poke through it easily, but it still holds its shape. This is the perfect texture for braised pork. Serve it on a celadon plate and drizzle a little sauce over it. Simple and elegant, just like the taste of scholars in the Song Dynasty. This bite is not just the taste of pork, but the taste of Su Shi's optimism. He had a turbulent life, but he always found joy in simple food. This is the spirit of Song Dynasty literati and the spirit of Chinese food. Restoring ancient dishes is not just about recreating flavors, but about passing on the stories and culture behind them. This is the meaning of 1,000 flavors of ancient China. Wow! This kitchen is amazing. I'll make Su Dongpo's braised pork with these modern tools. Cut into 8 cm cubes. Tie it across to hold shape. Skin down on ginger and scallions. Rice wine instead of water. Low heat simmering sushi's secret, works in modern kitchens. Just a little longer, and it'll be perfectly flavored. It smells amazing. Such a rich color and tender texture. Su Shi would love it. Time travel back. I'll share this pork with people in my era. If you loved this 1000-year-old DONGPO pork recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below what ancient Chinese dish you want me to restore next. Tan, Min, or King. And don't forget to subscribe for more dynasty food restoration. See you in the next ancient flavor journey.